Research is not just academic. Investing in research skills empowers you to shape the narrative.
Many grassroots organizations have done some phenomenal work, but have not had access to collect data to show the great work that they're doing. And so many great programs have gone away. Collecting data is not as hard as you think it is. It is very much participatory. Involve your community, really collect meaningful data that will sustain your project, present those results to funders to keep your projects going so that your projects do not go away. This project has really continued to promote that community organizations have the power, collect the data, analyze the data, share the data, and be able to show the progress that your organization, that your group is actually making. What we call is power building. That's how you power communities to have a voice and do the work that they need to do.
I would tell them to trust the process, even when you're unsure of the process that is going on. Continue to stay, ask questions, enjoy yourself with this.
I would say research is for everyone. It is not a skill that only certain people have. When you're actually doing it, impacting the people that you want to serve, it is such a meaningful experience. It gives us the opportunity to better understand our work and be able to move through those challenges with evidence and ultimately creating the impact that you want to see within your communities.
Performing research, it might seem like a really daunting process, and there are aspects that are potentially difficult or time-consuming. But when you're performing research and you're surrounded by people who are also doing the same, it's a lot less daunting. All of those barriers that you're perceiving or assuming that you're going to face are a lot easier to tackle when you've got a group of people that are supportive and behind you.
I would tell other organizations that research is strengthening your voice. I believe that small organizations can grow their confidence when they do the research. Only thing can make it happen is collaboration, equity, sustainability, and impact, trust, and share data that can make it possible.
If I was going to have a conversation with a funder or investor, I would explain the significance of us working together. A lot of nonprofits and a lot of community organizations are siloed. That creates small pockets of resources. There needs to be a concerted effort to work in a more collective and organized way to maximize our capabilities together.
I would tell funders to value research. When organizations understand why they're tracking the work, what kind of tracking they're doing, they are most impactful and we're maximizing the potential of the dollars being invested in communities.
When spider webs unite, they tie up a lion.